100 cars involved in a pileup on Interstate 39.
Every year, in the United States, trucking accidents account for 130,000 injuries, 5,000 casualties, and it is expected to become the fifth largest cause of death by 2030. Costs per crash range from $170,000 to more than $7 million and rising. 1 in 4 carrier will likely be involved in a crash in any given year. Drivers are 10 times more likely to be the cause of a crash. This is despite the warnings emitted over CB radio by diligent truck drivers. These valuable warnings are simply left unheard. How can this be? The CB radio has been used for safety and communications since the 40s. However, the CB radio requires line of sight, and truckers must be listening on the same channel at the same time. People cannot react to warnings that they simply do not hear. But do not fear. ViaWarn is here. Truckers simply keep talking. Through voice recognition, ViaWarn recognizes 10 codes and trucker lingo.
ViaWarn 1038, ViaWarn 1042, ViaWarn brake check.
All recognized keywords are sent as notifications through leading ELDs, providing drivers with advance warning. Back at headquarters, fleet managers receive driver warnings. Drivers can receive advice through their ELDs. Fleet managers also receive community warnings, allowing them to provide routing advice to their drivers. If you care about road safety, then please reach out and join the upcoming ViaWarn Pilot Program.